Hey, good morning, physical science students. Today is Wednesday, October 14th. I'm going to show you your tasks for the day. I'm going to scroll down to week 7. So I'm just doing this for periods 1 through 5, but 2, 4, 6, your classes are exactly the same. So today we are here. It is time to work and build. And I'm going to quickly review Monday, Tuesday for you. So I'm going to scroll down to Monday, Tuesday. Here's what you did Monday, Tuesday. You had the introduction to the project. You can definitely go through and look at that introduction again. But the two tasks that you were working on Monday and Tuesday were creating a plan on a piece of paper, like a brainstorming plan, getting your ideas down. And then the other one was drawing your carrier on a paper. So those should be done. If they're not done, that's okay, but get them done right away today. All right. So those are your jobs for Monday, Tuesday. Now I'm going to go back to Wednesday. Here is the tasks for Wednesday. All right. When we were designing this project, I created a video kind of explaining things. Check that video out. It is very slightly out of date now because I added 2 questions to our check-in, and it's basically just posting those pictures that you took of your brainstorming and your drawing. So look at that video. It kind of shows what you need to do. I'm going to go to the cargo carrier check-in right now, and I'm going to preview it. So this is going to be your view. You're going to start a new attempt, and then it's basically just a quick journal entry with some questions. What's going well? What are you struggling with? How are you doing with your budget? Have you started building? Today is the day to start building. Easy or difficult about the process? What are your thoughts? What advice would you give to others? So just put your cursor there, type in your thoughts on how things are going, kind of answering these questions. Then you're going to go to next, and question 2 says upload a picture of your brainstorming sheet. So you literally just take a picture of your brainstorming sheet with a phone, and then you can upload it through that. If you use a phone, it's easiest to email it to yourself or put it in your drive, and then click on this up arrow right there. You can also use this camera if it's a good camera. Make sure it's a good picture so you can really see what's going on. Then you go to question 3, and question 3 says upload a picture of your finished drawing. All right, you should include measurements, labels, materials, and thoughts on how Newton's laws are impacting your carrier. So just write in there. You don't have to draw how Newton's laws are impacting, but just write Newton's first law. This is what I have to prevent Newton's first law from crushing our cargo. All right, Newton's first and second law for that one. After you're done, click review and then click finish, and that is it. So that is your tasks for Wednesday. Quick little note about Thursday and Friday. We do not have school Thursday and Friday, but I would highly recommend, especially if you have missing assignments, get some of that missing work done. All right. End of the day today, I'm going to be turning in grades from Schoology, pushing it over to campus. And so your updated grades are coming end of the day today. Make sure you really take that to heart. Get some of that missing work in. So let me know if you have any questions at all. I can definitely help you. This button right here shows messages. You can click that, type in my name, send me a message. I'll get it there. You can send me an email and we'll get it that. You've got my Google Voice number. If I go back to the home page right here, you can call or text that number and I will let you know what's going on. But really work hard today so we can get things done, okay? Have a great one, and we'll see you all later.